Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1166, and today's topic is again in relation of your mental energy, thinking, perception, and how it is going to help to recover from disease and illness, and that is called placebo medicine. Your brain, one is that is 600 gram spongy mass of protein, and there are a lot of synthesis of different type of neurochemicals, neurotransmitters, hormones, enzymes are there, and lot of different type of neurochemicals are produced on demand, on need, and that's why I call your brain is the pharmacy store, medical store, chemist shop, where all the chemicals are kept, but it is released on demand. So your brain is hard, I can say, copy, and your thinking, mind, imagination, perception, positive, negative, that is called mind. And you know that when someone is suffering from some illness, like if somebody is having some problem in knee, lot of pain, inflammation, and cartilage degeneration, sometimes back pain. So whenever you meet such type of people who are suffering from some ailment, some health condition, they will only start talking that one. And talking that one means they are always focused. Their mind is always focused towards that particular disease. And according to universal law, energy flows where it is focused. So if you are only focusing and feeling yourself victim with negative thought process, it is definitely is going to harm. And from your pharmacy store, from medical store, I call it, your brain is medical or pharmacy store, from their negative type of hormones, stress hormone, cortisol, is released to go and fight such type of thinking. And at the same time, if suppose you are not thinking much about what is going on, whatever body you have, you are happy with that state of body, state of health, whatever, you are managing. In that circumstances, your thinking is positive, there is no more mental noise, and the hormone which is released from the pharmacy store of your brain is positive hormone, dopamine, serotonin, and some neurochemicals, neurotransmitters, and they are going to help you to heal. And here the concept of placebo medicine came. The word placebo is a Latin, it's derived from Latin. Nowadays, globally, lot of placebo medicines are used as a therapeutic agent to treat the people. And that medicine is called placebo effect. Actually, it is a fake, duplicate type of medicine, but it is manufactured. Just like, any pill is there to treat psychologically, emotionally, and just to bring down your level of negative thinking, to treat your psychology, your perception. Placebo medicine is given. So the word placebo is derived from Latin, means something I am happy, I please. That's why please word is from placebo. Placebo Latin means pleasing. I am pleased. That is the meaning of, exact meaning of placebo, that I am happy, I am pleased. So such type of medicine. And here, let me add, especially in India, that much is not in Nigeria, but in India it's a multi-billion business of placebo medicine, because there are a lot of pharmaceutical industries, lot of drug industries. They are known as Ayurvedic and Unani system, that is in local language, in Indian language. If I am translating in English, it is called herbal or plant medicinal compound. So two type of techniques are used. One, they are extracting, and second one, they are burning and getting the ash. In both conditions they are using. And there is a lot of manipulation, lot of placebo effect is there. And it is a poly drug system. There is nothing like exact biomarker of synthetic drug. Because once they are giving any syrup, any tablet, any capsule, they are putting either the extract of the plant or the powder of the leaf, flower, stem, bark, any part of the plant. And they are claiming, here the big question mark is there. It is the 100% cure for COVID-19, for leprosy, leukoderma, for asthma, for diabetic condition, that is metabolic process. And they claim on TV that it is 100% cure. It's a total fraud. It's a scientific fraud. Because whatever is given, those people, because of some their spiritual value, some of the religious value, they believe in that person and they are exploiting. There are many babas. If I say babas means, in Nigerian term, baba, very elderly person, respected person. In India, they are having lot of their manufacturing units. And lot of things they are claiming, without any quantification, without any experimental data, without any purification, structure, establishment, active ingredient, by any extract, any powder of the plant material is containing hundreds of phytochemicals. We don't know which one is active and what is the percentage of that particular one. So that is only because of placebo effect they are recovered. Here, I have gone through some research papers where it's a very interesting latest research papers. Some women, a couple, they were suffering from infertility. They were not able to produce child. Maybe she was not getting pregnancy, she was not conceiving, and she was given placebo tablet. In that case, they have reported that 50%, they started believing that I am taking some pill and that pill will pregnate me. I will become pregnant. Husband, wife, they have positive perception. Their mental noise is over, and from their pharmacy, that is brain, I call it the pharmacy of our body, is releasing positive hormones. And those positive hormones, they were enough to make them successful. Some people were having asthma. Placebo medicines were given. Placebo injections are given. Placebo surgery is done. All fake. And they are recovered. Because they started believing. They are focused to that one. They are thinking. And that's why their energy is playing in a positive role. And once their energy is positive, a lot of positive hormones is produced. And there are very important positive hormone I have mentioned here. That is endomorphin. Endomorphin is the most important positive hormone chemical is produced once you are having placebo effect. Endo means inside. Morphine means alkaloid. That alkaloid is isolated from plant sources. That is called morphine. It is a very important natural painkiller, psychosomatic drug, where you are relaxed, your muscles are relaxed, your pain has gone, and you will feel happy after getting the alkaloidal morphine injection. And the same endomorphin, endo means inside your body, same chemical is produced. And that if you are positive in thinking, that endomorphin will be released and you will get recover. So these are all very, very important things. Let me show you the placebo. Clear. So this is your placebo capsules. You can see very clear, and even it is written by company. It is a multi-billion pharmaceutical business internationally, and they produce lot of different variety of placebo capsule, placebo pills, placebo injection, intravenous, muscular, all subcutaneous, different type. Is a big market. It is, I can say, from pharmaceutical point of view, it is fake drug. Just to handle your positive thinking. These are all placebo injections. Sometimes if someone is suffering from some psychosomatic disease or some other type, and maybe it's mentally he or she is disturbed, then they will give them such type of injection, and this injection may be simply some saline water or only water, and they will feel psychologically, perception they will get that they are well treated and they are given injection, and it works a lot. So I have written these points, point wise. Number one, where the focus goes is a very important sentence. Where the focus goes, energy flows or energy follow. And the whole world, either it is biological energy, hormonal energy, enzymatic energy, or hydrocarbon energy, every human being is just following energy. So wherever focus goes, your energy will follow. If it is negative, negative energy. If it is positive energy. And this is your universal law. I am talking of universal law, energy flow. Where focus is there, energy will flow. And number two, accept your body as it is. Sometimes people, once they have gone through some injury or some problem or maybe some replacement because of some cancer and all those things, and he is not symmetrical, his looking is not that much appealing or smart or cosmetic looking, they feel depressed, demoralized, is wrong. And that is adding mental noise, depression, and feeling low mood. Whatever is your body, accept it. That's all, simple, and be happy. Then, number three, stop seeing yourself the victim of illness. Sometimes if someone gets serious organic disease, pathological disease, for example, maybe some lung problem or organ problem or kidney problem, or maybe some lung cancer or blood cancer, they feel themselves victim. You are not victim. It is just, happening. We are part of nature, and like you, there are millions. You are one of them. You are not victim. Just keep happy, keep positive, so that your pharmacy store is releasing good medicine, good hormone for that. And then third, your belief. If you are believing in something, that is your placebo effect. So you should start believing to any doctor, any surgeon, or anybody who is giving the medicine. And it will bring the placebo effect, means you will feel happy, you will feel comfortable. Even if wrong medicine is given, I told you that fake medicine, it will recover because of your flow of mental energy. Your brain is working on the same like artificial intelligence, input and output. Whatever input will come to your brain, spongy mass, similar type of output you are going to get, and that output is released from your pharmacy store and it is distributed in your body. If you have fear, I told you, you will be shivering, you will be nervous, you cannot get up, you cannot go and attend any work. So that is all stress hormone is released more and more. If you are relaxed and happy, you are not feeling victim, you are not allowing any negative thought process. Lot of dopamine, serotonin, and then endomorphin, and lot of other neurotransmitters are released, and you will be more stable. Then number four, The moment you change your perception, perception is very important. That is placebo effect. The moment you change your perception is the moment you rewrite the medicinal chemistry of your body. Remember this writing. Once you are changing thinking and perception about anything, you are changing the medicinal chemistry and biochemistry or physiology of your whole body. That is very, very important. Then number 5, your body also has inner pharmacy. I have already told you. That is called inner pharmacy or inner medical store. And this brain pharmacy works with the help of neurochemicals. Because in this brain pharmacy, you have lot of neurochemicals packed, different variety, and as per need and demand, from that store it is released from that pharmacy. Just like you are going to any pharmacy shop, you ask that I want paracetamol. From that pharmacy store it is supplied because it is the need. In the same way, from your brain pharmacy, as per the demand of your body, if it is negative one, negative hormones are released. If it is positive one, positive hormone is released from your brain pharmacy. Neurotransmitters, hormones and enzymes. Example, like endomorphin. Endomorphin is released on demand. So many other hormones. So I have gone through some research papers which are recently published, but I have taken some few one to their example. On the basis of that, I have written here. Number 1, recent research publications show that having positive expectation about an illness or disease increases the secretion of endomorphins. So if you have positive expectation, hopeful, then the body will release your pharmacy brain, that is endomorphin, and the name derived from 2 words. One is morphine and second one is endogenous, means the morphine which is produced inside, meaning the produced within the body system. Number 2, hence endomorphins are basically morphine produced by our body. As we know, our body also produces neurotransmitters, and those neurotransmitters are serotonin and dopamine. Hormones have similar impact like endomorphins. Number 3, we know that having positive expectation is the belief of one's ability to get release more endomorphins. So once you have positive belief, believing in yourself, believing in your medicine, believing in your doctor, is going to produce more and more positive hormones from your pharmacy, brain pharmacy. That is stress hormone like cortisol. If you are having negative feeling, then stress hormone is released to fight that feeling. That is called cortisol. And number 4, brain is the most critical part of our body, and our brain is responsible of receiving data inputs. It is our brain which is receiving data input from your environment, from your surrounding, and then it is processed from our environment and surroundings. However, it is your mind that provides the interpretation. Once your data, information, whatever you have seen, is gone to your brain, and then interpretation is there, and that interpretation is done by your mind, and then it comes in the form of action or in the form of speech. It's a very, very interesting, and all are controlled by different type of transmitter, hormones, chemicals, and also some enzyme action, all together are functioning. Our body, our brain, and that is called receiving data inputs from our environment and surroundings. However, it is your mind that provides the interpretation based on which your brain responds as a pharmacist. So your brain is just like pharmacist. Whatever you are receiving, the data input, according to that, what response is there, processing, according to that, the brain pharmacist will release the chemical. It means cells throughout our body are affected by the surroundings, environment that our brain creates. So number 5 here, I have given 2 examples. Example is, if somebody is having fever, in fever your brain sends stress hormones to fight or flight. Once you have fever, your stress hormone will be immediately released, and this causes the formation of large amount of cholesterol. So once stress hormone is released, means your body will produce large quantity of cholesterol. That's why in stress, strain, tension, sickness, and fever, all factors are responsible to change your body physiology, pathology, and even biochemistry. That is B. When you are safe and comfortable, happy, then your brain sends serotonin, dopamine, neurotransmitter, and it will take care of your body, and all the hormones will be having positive impact on your health, and lot of endomorphins are also released that will I can say reduce your muscular pain, and also some body fatigue, that is called endomorphin. Number 6, one research publication shows that our beliefs about our health has tremendous effect on your body's healing process. So your belief system is having tremendous effect on your healing of the illness. Number 7, according to Professor Rankin, she is one of the researchers, and she found that nearly half of the asthma patients, she tried this on asthma patients and got much relief from fake inhaler. She gave them placebo inhaler, fake, and she found that 40% of the people with chronic headache find relief when they are given placebo medicine. Half of the people with colitis feel better after placebo treatment. Now, what is placebo? I have already told you, but I have written here. Placebo is a Latin word, means I will please, means placebo means to please, and refers to the treatment that appears real, but that is designed, and it is not real, it is designed to have no therapeutic benefits. Placebo medicine can be simple sugar, crystalline sugar, pills or tablets, or it can be sugar solution, it can be only water in the form of injection, or it can be saline water in the form of injection. So that is what about placebo medicine and your mental, I can say, thinking and approach and perception, how it is going to help in the healing of your lot of chronic diseases. So even this year's Nobel Prize in Medicine has gone to mRNA, a vaccine, that is protein molecule, and how this protein molecule is going to provide immunity to your body so that your body itself will work as a hospital. In the same way like your brain is the pharmacy store, releasing different type of hormones and different type of chemicals to your body. In the same way, mRNA protein will be there to maintain the immune system of your body. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.